They never gonna love you, J.A. like I loved you, J.A. Yo, welcome back to Skylife Fitness Solution. You don't know your girl Melika Skylife in the building. Yo! And what do them? I'm tired for YouTube and copyright me. Might as well sing song to myself. What do them? Anyways, guys, this is a pretty new style of video for me. I'm gonna think never do a video like this yet. I'm not scared. I'm pretty excited because we're giving us some information right now. What will help you know? Big time. Now, in today's video, we're gonna talk about how to get over a relationship. Take it or leave it. Anyways, number one. Alright, so guys, generally when I'm doing my videos, I don't have a script. But I'm gonna try to put these things in order as much as possible. In the order that you should do them to get over whatever bad relationship. Because if you're out of a relationship, like an intimate relationship, it was not good for you. Chances are it was toxic, or the person didn't love you, or something. X, Y, and Z when I feel less, right? So number one, you see where you say boom, relationship a mash up and you and partner apart and things that go bad. Chances are sometimes for a woman most times they never want to leave a relationship but they really love the person. You understand? If a woman really love you, chances are it's hard for them to let you. More while you have to let them. And if that's the case, like if you find say your partner left you or now mash up and you not try to work out things you don't know, one of the things that you're obligated to do to the relationship in the relationship is go to your partner and say, partner, I love you, I want this to work, I see my life with you, let us work on this. Make sure you do that tonight. You do that to clear your conscience. Make sure you do your part to make your relationship work. Worse than the long. Make sure you do that. You see, after you do that now and say boom, you tell boy that I'm boy I'm gonna like say no sense same way, still a disrespect you and be things. You just go so. Alright? Me say this to you and you not take me serious as a woman. It's one of a few things. It's either you don't love me, you don't rate me, or you don't see a life with me. So that therefore leave me if you say no, I'm gonna make a go on about this. Right? And you push me to do this now, you know. Chances are you love them in your head and you have to, Lord Jesus, I'm gonna let him know. I don't really want to let him, I love him, but you have to do it for yourself because guess what? If you're not teach a man how to treat you, you're gonna treat you like gosh. I don't want to say it. He'll disrespect you in front of his friends, in front of his family, disrespect you with other woman and girl. I'm gonna encourage you to stand up today and something there. So even if you're get a heartbreak right now, you left him, make your heart break down, do what you want to do, ball, anything. Him not show you saying want the relationship, a time for you cut to. Don't hold on to somebody that's not holding on to you. My man love hold on to me and that's what I love about him. May I tell you sometimes I say, they are quizzing too tight and eat up. Anyways, if a man show you say I'm not interested no more, leave him alone because he's going to disrespect you or later on down the line he hurts you really really bad. You see after you do that now, you say alright, me I tell us I want a relationship and you show me say you don't want a relationship, me I go cut you off. Cut off all contact. That's your second step. No contact, you not look, you delete him out of your phone or you block him. You don't want my number, you don't want to see DP picture up on WhatsApp. You block him off of Facebook, you not look on his Facebook stuff them. You just not deal with him, you cut him completely out of your life because if this is somebody that didn't love you, what they will do to you is chances are they narcissistic. If you don't know what narcissistic mean, when you Google it, narcissistic relationships, they are so prominent in this time. And if you don't know what I look like, it will fool you and make it tell you. So Google what narcissistic relationships are. This is like a relationship where the man, he wants you to feel like lesser than yourself. He plays mind tricks. He does a lot of things to damage you as a person. You can come into the relationship like a whole person, and when you're done within a relationship, a piece of person and hang on because of his own brokenness. In narcissism, come from when grow up from our some childhood traits or something like that. Just Google what is narcissism. A lot of us young ladies are in narcissistic and toxic relationships, and we can't see. We're blinded by love, because if you love somebody, you're gonna be blinded. Other persons will see it outside, but you will not see it. So you need to cut him off, because what he will do, he will try to do things to hurt you, because he knows that you love him. So pan in WhatsApp, he will put up him a woman, right? Pan in Facebook, he will post all kind of things, right? Or he will want to contact you and lead you on, draw you in back, mash up your head again, and left. So just to eliminate everything, cut him off. Don't deal with him. Deal with the heartbreak by yourself. Cut off all contact. You don't need that. You don't need that thing there in your life. I'm going to tell you. I'm going to go thank me later. Number 3, the third thing that you're going to do. If you did love that person here, chances are you need to take some time and ball out it. You need to cry out what you cry out and deal with what you deal with inside of yourself. Just let it out. Find a friend, talk over the situation, tell him everything, tell her everything what you do, tell him what him do, tell him who go wrong. Get it out of your system. Cry if you need to cry. Lock up yourself, not for too long though, because that can put you in a position where you take a longer time to get up. So just let it out. Don't bottle it inside. Number 4, the fourth thing what you're going to do, and you do this for yourself. You're going to glow up. Lose 5 or 10 pounds. Glow up. Get some new clothes. Do your hair. Get a nice facial. Take care of yourself. Spend time with yourself. Try to find out who you are at your core. Build up your confidence level. Know what you want in your next relationship. You understand? This step is so key. This is the step that you put yourself first, because remember you're single now, you know. You put yourself first. You focus by yourself. You get yourself at a level where you can stand up on your own foot then by yourself. You take the time out for know what kind of man you want. You know, get back your standard them in a life. And this is step number 4, where you get your standard them in a life. Be clear on what you want and what you don't want, because you're preparing yourself for when you move on, because you're moving on, right? The 5th thing that you're gonna do is prepare a standard then. Know your standard, know what you will stand for, know what you will accept in a relationship, what you don't want in a relationship. Be very, very clear. Clear till you all sound crazy. So when you sound crazy, they don't want you. So you're right when we want you. I'm if tell you. Right? So just be very, very clear. You're done with that relationship. You can remember, see you go to him, you know. You tell him what you want and you cut off all contact. You spend time with yourself. You drop your 5-10 pounds and take care of yourself and spend time with yourself. You know what? Treat yourself, because chances are that person wasn't giving you everything that you needed. Right? In that 5th stage here, right? You are choosing to be single. Spend time with yourself. You see that 5th stage here, right now, what he might all do, move on with the next girl. You say, oh, you move on so quick, but you're not going to watch that. He made a post another girl and name something that you now watch that, because remember, you cut off all contact. He must force move on. But you, the woman, really take your really time to move on. You understand? Know who you want, what you want. You know, deal with the broken-heartedness and build up back yourself while him a 4th move on. You see the 6th level? When that new guy find you or whatever, move on with him in such a healthy manner. You understand? Really move on. You're not forced move on. You're not use him to stop no gap or anything, because you're really heal and you really move on. And at that time, the homeboy will want to come back to you. But that time they're gone through the door, because you've been through the stages. You've been through the stages, my nigga. And that is my 5 little tips on how you get over a relationship. My boyfriend, I'm gonna broke up when you see this video. When you see this video, yeah. But thank you guys for stopping by my channel. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up. Me a killing with content. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Be a content phono. Quarantine and content. So big up on the damn clean self. Follow me on melicaskylife on Instagram. Definitely follow me on fitness page, Skylife Fitness Solution. We are doing good over there. So thank you guys. All of those stuff started from you. I'm so excited and I'm so proud. So see you on the next video.